How to upload thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open YouTube application on your device first and tap on the plus symbol on the bottom of your screen and then tap on the Create a Short option. You can take a new video if you want or select a video from your camera roll. I have selected this video here. Tap on Done and you will now be able to make changes on the video. You can add sound, text, voiceover, use the timeline and apply filters to enhance your short. We will just skip for this for the time being. Tap on Next and the interface that appears now. You can customize the title, visibility, location and more. In order to add thumbnail, tap on the pencil-like icon on the top of the video and now you will be able to add thumbnail to your video. Unlike regular YouTube videos, you will not be able to add thumbnail from your camera roll in Short. You will have to select it from the video itself, so there is a trick to add thumbnail from your camera roll. Quit the YouTube app and then open any of your video editing app and open the video that you want to upload and add the thumbnail that you wish to upload from your camera roll. Make it slightly visible, making sure that it does not affect the entire video. And now open YouTube and repeat the process. And you can see that we can now add thumbnail of our own choice and are not limited to just the video that we want to upload. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.